honor to
Alden
welcome
third
the product
update
ambassadors
sa
of the
Honda
incredible
event.
ride. Ladies and gentlemen, Alden Richards!
Yun no, Alden Richard in the house sa Honda event. Diyan sa Festival Mall sa Alabang. Ayan na, ang ambassador, ang product ambassador ng Giorno Plus ng Honda. Yun no. Ang gwapo ni Alden no. Ayan, mga nag-abang kay Alden dyan sa event. Galing lang yan ng workout and diretso agad sa event. Ang ganda yan no? Honda Giorno Plus. Ang daming tao nagabang kay Alden dyan. Ayan, sumakay na nga si Alden sa motor.
And at this point, joining the newest product ambassador of the all-new Giorno Plus, Mr. Alden Richards, we call in the president of Honda Philippines Incorporated, Miss Sayakara!
Ayan no? Ayan, napaka-gentleman ni Alden. Ay nabangan pa nga. Ayan yung line no? Ayan, kinabit muna yung mic. Yan yung line ni Alden, yung president ng Honda. Yan yung napaka-gentleman ni Alden
Once again, we welcome you to the Honda Philippines family, being the new face of the all-new Giorno Plus.
Yan no?
You, Aray-san, it's truly an honor, and I'm deeply grateful to join the newest product ambassador for the all-new Giorno Plus. Together, we have an exciting journey ahead with so much more to look forward to. Maraming salamat po sa lahat na nagpunta dito. Kamusta kayo?
Singgaya no?
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Alden Richards!
Yan babalik si Alden.
Now to take us to the next level of inspiration with her keynote message. Once again, please welcome.
Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more video. See ya.